Hello, glad to see you back. The unique thing about this channel is that you get to see my hair grow from nothing to something. It's not about having a long hair all my life and coming here to tell you that I grew it in 6 months. After watching this video, you definitely are going to benefit from it and it will really help your hair. This was my hair when I just started this journey with this channel. I shared what I used to start growing my hair, and this is my hair now. I have successfully trimmed off all the relaxed hair. There is no relaxed hair left. This is the length of my hair at the back. It's good I share with you the progress so far. For today's video, we are going to be using aloe vera. Usually, I like washing my aloe vera leaves. We are just going to cut off the tiny part of it and remove the spines because they are not needed. Aloe vera is a very good moisturizer and it contains so many vitamins, hence its benefit in the use for hair growth. The next step is to cut the aloe vera leaves into very small pieces. Cutting into small pieces will facilitate easy blending so that we will get a very smooth consistency after blending. Some persons do not blend it, they just scoop out the gel. Whichever works for you, the choice is yours. What matters is that you follow the next step after getting your gel. Next, I put it in my blender and I blend it to a very smooth consistency, very smooth. Next, we are going to turn the blended aloe vera into a bowl or a plate, whichever you want to use, or a ceramic, whatever you want to use. Just turn it inside. After turning it inside, I add my Jamaican black castor oil. This is the last bit of it I have in the house. Usually, it should be as much as 30 ml. Then add olive oil, 30 ml of olive oil to that amount of aloe vera that I used. Then I'm going to add 2 capsules of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very good for hair. It's a very good antioxidant, so it is highly recommended. I prick it open with a sharp object. I have this sharp knife in the house. Just prick it open. You could also use a needle to prick it open and add it to the mixture. Then you stir. I stir the oils together with the aloe vera to get a thick mixture. There is one last oil to add, and that is the coconut oil. I made this coconut oil myself. I made a video of how I made the coconut oil. You could check it out if you want to learn. Then I just stir everything together. You see how it is. I try to make sure everything is well mixed together. Then I go ahead and filter it out with my stocking. This is to make sure there is no particle on my hair when I use it, and it separates the gel from the particles. After pouring it in the stocking, I use my hand to exert some pressure to press it out so that no gel is left and no oil is left. So I just try to press everything out. You can see how smoothly it's coming out. This is what it looks like. This is what aloe vera hair mask looks like. I'm just going ahead to show you how I apply it to my hair and what I do after applying it to my hair. I wet my hair with some distilled water in a spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can use your hand to pour some water on your hair. So I just go ahead and wet it very, very well, so that when I apply the hair mask to my hair, it will spread evenly. Now I'm going to part my hair into smaller parts and apply the hair mask one step at a time. Some persons make the mistake of combing their hair before applying any type of moisture on their hair without making sure the hair is wet enough before combing it. That is wrong. I usually do not do that to my hair, because when I do that, my hair might break. So I try to moisturize as much as I can. So that's why I basically am using this hair mask, not just to facilitate hair growth, but also to prevent hair breakage. Now I'm just going to stick to using my hand to part the hair so that it will be fast. While applying the aloe vera hair mask, I massage my scalp and my hair. You can see how I am massaging my scalp. This is to stimulate the hair follicles to promote hair growth. I continue applying it until all my hair is covered with the hair mask. After applying it, after I'm sure that my hair is saturated with the hair mask, I go ahead and cover my head with a plastic shower cap. After covering my head with a shower cap, I supplement it with my satin bonnet, because the shower cap usually is not tight enough. So I just go ahead and place my satin bonnet on top of it to create some amount of heat so that the aloe vera hair mask will penetrate for 30 minutes. Now it's time to wash my hair. I use my shampoo to wash my hair. I wash it very well to get rid of every build-up or whatever might be in my hair. This aloe vera leaf will be used next. I'm just going to cut off the spine like I did in the beginning for those other two aloe veras. So I'm just going to cut the spine off and cut off the small parts at the tapering end. Then I cut it into two and also cut the other parts into two as shown. Then I part my hair into smaller parts as shown in the beginning too. I just part my hair and I go ahead to apply my aloe vera gel. Sometimes some persons like blending it, scooping it out. On my lazy day, this is how I do it. When I'm just so tired to go through all those processes, I just take the leaf and use it to rub my hair, as you are about to see. This is how I apply it after washing my hair. I just apply it evenly all around my hair. I try to let it get to my scalp. When it's as if it's no longer coming out, as if the gel is finished, use your knife to heat it. When I use my knife to heat it, more gel comes out and I reapply it to my hair until I exhaust all the gel. I continue to massage it on my hair and my scalp. I try to focus on getting it to penetrate into my hair and my scalp, not just leaving it on the surface. Throughout this process, I only lost about 3 strands of hair. I'm saying this to emphasize the importance of wetting your hair before any type of manipulation, be it detangling or combing, so that it will minimize hair loss, hence increase in hair length. Next, I'm going to apply my mixture of oils. I made a video on how I combine different oils for my hair. If you've not seen that video, you might want to check it out. Whatever I apply to my hair, I try to massage it into my hair and my scalp for deep penetration, as you can see. Now I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner in a spray bottle just to make my hair feel very soft. Finally, I comb it all together. So at this stage, I want to tell you that if you've not subscribed to this channel, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, please subscribe to this channel so that you follow my hair growth journey. And also don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Also share this video out so that people will learn and benefit from my channel. You see, from combing, there is no hair loss either. That's why I showed you the comb right now, so that you will see that there is no hair loss. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, just start again.